Hi guys, welcome back to my channel MJ's TV and Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make your homemade shawarma. Shawarma, many of us like shawarma, but the issue is that it's kind of expensive. But don't you think you can actually use that money, use and buy for two people to make for yourself at home? All you need is your shawarma bread, chicken or whatever beef you want to use or whatever meat you want to use, either snail, chicken or beef. You get your mayonnaise and your ketchup, but ketchup is not really necessary. The first thing I do after washing the the cabbage is to mix it with mayonnaise. Then I'll add my chicken to it and a little bit of ketchup and chili pepper, blended pepper. That's the blended pepper. I'll add it. If you don't have fresh pepper, you can actually use dry pepper. Then you mix. Why am I doing this at home? We have we are like four in the house. Shawarma is sold for 115 in my area, and 15 times 4 is how much? I'm actually spending like 6,000 naira to buy shawarma outside. But in this our economy, we have to eat what we like, oh, but still, you still need to be wise by planning yourself. So all you need to do is to get this thing outside. The cabbage I bought was 300. The ketchup one, two. Bama, that's the one I even used in the house. The remaining one I used in the house. So I actually bought it like few weeks ago. I used it for salad, and that's the remaining one. So, but I actually got that, I think 2000 or so. I can't really recall. Then the shawarma bread in my area is 700. No, yes, 700. Yeah. The sausage is 700, but in some areas 900. Because I know I've bought shawarma bread before for 900. So if you calculate what you're spending, then let me say your meat not more than 500 for the family. So if you calculate, you see you're not spending much. You're not even spending up to 5,000 naira, for example, like me. So it's wise for you to do this at home, and it's going to be more richer because you know the quantity of, how you want the shawarma to look like. So you will make it more quality than you buying it outside. And some be like, I don't have the shawarma machine. Ah, sister, you don't even need a shawarma machine for this. All you need is a pan. If you have a frying pan, you're good to go. Whatever frying pan you have, you're good to go. So just watch this video and thank me later. Thank you.
First, let me say to you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I dey pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. You know, say every day I dey pray for you. Oh, in my heart today's a permanent place for you. That's why my heart it a beat like do. Cause now you I choose, so I am fair me.
In case you don't have this kind of my frying pan, You can actually use a normal frying pan. You just have to put little oil on it, then you place your shawarma on it, then you cover it with a cover, like if you're using a normal frying pan. The reason why I'm using this one is because this one is a grill pan and you can actually turn it front and back in this can. That's why I'm using this one. So in case if you don't have this one, you can use the normal pan. Just cover it, and it should be on low heat, please, low heat, not high heat. Okay, tell me what you think about this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more and new updates. Thank you very much.